Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most fascinating and strategic developments in the Middle East, Iran's secret shipbuilding revolution, a domestic naval industry that's quietly churning out advanced warships, missile vessels, drone carriers, and more. From underground facilities to high-speed boats and covert naval bases, this is how Tehran is gaining maritime strength even under heavy sanctions and global pressure. Let's dive into the 5 hidden secrets Iran uses to build these powerful ships. One, underground shipyards and hidden facilities. One of the biggest secrets of Iran's naval buildup isn't just what they're building, it's where they're keeping it. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, has reportedly developed underground naval bases and shipyard complexes designed to hide missile assault boats and combat vessels from surveillance and preemptive strikes. These subterranean facilities allow Iran to rapidly deploy naval assets without revealing their exact locations, making them harder for adversaries to detect and neutralize. This strategy of concealment and dispersal adds strategic depth to Iran's maritime operations and keeps potential enemies guessing. 2. Ship conversions for strategic roles. Rather than relying only on traditional warships, Iran has found creative ways to turn commercial vessels into military platforms. For example, old crude tankers have been converted into forward-based ships equipped with helipads and UAV launch facilities. These support long-range operations and serve as mobile command posts. Merchant ships like Shahid Rudaki and others have been modified to operate attack helicopters, drones, and small combat boats, turning commercial hulls into polar-op naval assets. These conversions are cost-effective for Tehran, allowing the Navy to expand its operational reach with vessels that carry logistics, drones, and missile launchers without needing fully built warships. Three, Catamaran missile warship design. Iran isn't just converting old ships, it's designing new ones with cutting-edge hull forms and offensive capabilities. One example is the ongoing construction of a large catamaran-style warship, larger and more capable than previous Iran-built vessels, with a broader deck and higher payload capacity. Additionally, Iran's existing Shahid Soleimani-class missile corvettes use aluminum hulls and stealth-reducing shapes that make them faster and harder to detect. These catamarans can carry missiles, guns, sensors, and future drone or unmanned platforms, enhancing Iran's naval options in both the Persian Gulf and Indian Ocean. 4. Rapid production and indigenous engineering. Iran's naval shipbuilding isn't just secretive, it's becoming surprisingly efficient. Iranian defense sources claim that some missile corvettes, like the Shahid Soleimani class, have moved from design to launch in about 1 year, thanks to domestic expertise and collaborations between military factories, universities, and knowledge-based companies. The rise of homegrown shipbuilding facilities such as naval factories in Bandar Abbas and Shahid Mahalati shipyard shows a growing industrial base that is producing warships, frigates, and missile vessels with minimal foreign input, helping Iran maintain naval capabilities despite sanctions. 5. Advanced vessel types emerging. Iran's recent shipbuilding isn't limited to small boats and converted tankers. It now includes sophisticated new vessels that hint at broader maritime ambitions. Zagros, a new SIGINT warship designed for intelligence, surveillance, and deterrence on the high seas, boosting Iran's ability to monitor adversaries and guide fleet operations. High-speed missile-launching boats capable of exceeding 116 knots, 215 kilometers per hour, representing a significant leap in fast-attack craft capabilities. Forward-based ships like IRINS Makran and Kurdistan for helicopter and drone support, expanding the range and endurance of Iran's naval forces.